go to melt our butter. My butter's all melted now, so I'm going to pour it into my biscuit. We'll need to stir the butter into the biscuits now. Now we will need to place it into a tin. Okay, now it's all spread out. We'll need to put this in the fridge for 30 minutes. Okay, so my base is all set and it's time to spread the caramel. You want a nice even layer. Now it's all spread out, it will need to go back in the fridge. While we're waiting for the caramel to set, we're going to mix up our cream. It's nearly done now, so it's time to add in our icing sugar. And then we need to give it another mix in just to finish it. Now it's time to chop up our bananas. That should be enough now. So it's time to take out the thingy we made. This is about set now, so it's time to spread out our bananas. Fill with bananas now. We did a few too many, but let's just add in our cream now. About done. Now it's time to finish it off by sprinkling some chocolate. And here is our Banoffee Pie. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe and see you next time for more lockdown.